thanks to the community-minded spirit of NBA All-Star, iHoops, the amazing joint initiative of both the NBA and the NCAA.
iHoops is very happy to be a part of the NBA and its community efforts during their All-Star weekend. And one of the things that we're doing at iHoops is the refurbishment of facilities and courts. As a former basketball coach and then the director of coach and athlete programs at iHoops, this is something that's just important for the communities and the people who have come through these facilities in a place like Challengers to continue to remember and then give back.
The club started back in 1968 with 12 kids in the back of a truck. My dad never knew that we would be doing this right now.
We are proud of the work that has been done here for more than 40 years, as Mark just said. None of it would have been possible but for strong partners. In that spirit, we are very grateful for the joint effort coming together today and over the next few months to get this court in tip-top shape so we'll have an even better environment for the kids to play basketball. Because that's what it's all about for us on the board, for all the people that work at Challengers, and for all the people here today, is to keep a safe place for the kids to play, grow, and learn.
Today is pretty special. You guys are going to have a wonderful time, learn some new skills, have some great entertainment, and these are great guys and wonderful ladies here to be supportive of you. So thank you very, very much.